Now, if you see here in the area of Chapultepec, you are going to find some other museums. It says Gallery of History Museum, and there's also Modern Art Museum, and here, as I told you, the zoo. And here you're going to find the Auditorio Nacional, which is the place where most important, or yeah, I mean it's a venue where you are going to see like many artists there, bands, Michael Bublé, some other artists, like I don't know, like in this Air Supply, Police, etc. You are going to find them here. So maybe you want to take a look at least to see how it looks like, this Auditorio Nacional. I mean, like, it's just a venue, you know? This is how it looks like from outside, in case you want to at least take a look at it. And on this side, oh, and there's also a station for you to get there. Here's the subway station, and it's right in front of it. And in this area, there is as far as I remember, there is a Hard Rock Cafe in front of it. Then maybe you also would like to visit this place, which is Papalote Museo del Niño. It's an interactive museum. Oh, I lost it. Wait. Jeez. Here, sorry. Here, it's a museum for kids, but I mean, like, you can just walk in. I don't know if you have seen something like this before, but it's where children can learn and touch things, and it's an interactive museum. I like it a lot, and I have a lot of fun. Even if I am an adult, I still have a lot of fun. Now, there's another thing that you might like to see. I haven't seen it because was a recent thing. So the president of the republic, the president of my country, used to live here, and it was a closed place only for the president and his family. But the current administration made it open for all the people, so now you can visit that place, and I would recommend you to do that because I mean, like, after even centuries, this, I mean, like, I'm exaggerating a little bit, but after at least 80 years this place has been closed. It has been only for politicians and for the president, but the current president opened it for the people, and he doesn't live there anymore. So now it's like a museum that you can visit. It is called Los Pinos, and if you notice, it's in the same area of Castillo Chapultepec. There is a subway station close to it, which is Constituyentes. Okay, and in the following video, I'm gonna explain to you a little bit of the subway stations so that you can be more certain and confident about how to use it. I mean, it's not a big deal, and I know that you've been traveling to some other places, but just for you to be sure, okay?